Hey everybody, Don Dabney, Left Coast Classics. This is kind of a cool score. It's I bought 4 cars from an estate in San Francisco, and this is one of them. It's a one-owner car. The lady bought it brand new in San Francisco from the dealer. The frame is still wrapped around the black license plate on the rear. It had been kind of on and off the road over the years. It was kept outdoors much of its life because she had a couple of nice Mercedes that I guess she liked to keep indoors. But the car purportedly, and from what I'm told, this is the original 77,000 and change mileage. It's just the car spent kind of a lot of time outside in the driveway. So we were told when we bought the car that they thought somewhere around 2016 they took it to the mechanic, or she did, before she had passed away, and she had him go through it so she could start driving it again. And then she just didn't drive it. She left it in the driveway. And you can look on the license plate, you see that the tag expired in 2004. So by 16, she was hoping to get it out again, got it all ready to go, and then never took it out. So we picked the car up. We had it brought back to Sonoma, and we checked all the fluids, and we charged up the battery, and the car does start, runs, and it drives. Obviously, it needs a cosmetic restoration, but check it out. It's cool. I'll take you out for a little test drive. It just seems like the every gauge is working except for the clock and the RPM gauges. Those are not working. The wipers are turning on. The wiper door opens. The headlight is turning on. Headlights are turning on and the doors are opening. We do have a few bulbs to change. I turn on the radio and I get a little bit of a radio sound. You can hear that, but there's no antenna on the car, so we're not sure. Probably just needs a new antenna. The antenna is broken actually. And as you can see, a lot of this interior, someone's going to want to restore it, but it's cool. It drives as is right now. And we'll take it out, take you on a little spin around Sonoma. It's a little loud. It definitely has some, it needs new mufflers. It needs new exhaust from the manifold back, but it gets up and it goes. All right, there you go. All right, thanks for checking out this cool 68 Corvette C3. And you can give me a call anytime. I'm Don Dabney, Left Coast Classics. Check us out on all the social media sites and leftcoastclassics.com. Plus, we have a really cool YouTube channel. You might be on it right now. Over 6.5 million views as of early 2019, which is pretty cool. Check us out on Wheeler Dealers, 2 episodes. All right, thanks for checking it out. Call me if you have any questions. All right, so let's head under here. Now this is a completely original one-owner car, completely unmodified. I don't think anything has ever been done under here. Now we did power spray and clean up the undercarriage because I wanted to just make it so you could see it. It had just never been clean. And obviously, I'm trying to figure out how many years it's been. Sorry, I was counting. It's a 1968, so what is that? 51 years or something of grime on the bottom of the car. It probably did a great job protecting it because the frame and everything is in really good shape. Very original. And it was just grimy, you just didn't know, like, is this a current leak or is this a leak from the past? So I wanted to be able to really see it and figure that out. But check that out. I mean, that's in really good shape. It's well preserved. It's going to be a easier car to restore knowing what you're dealing with under here should somebody decide to do that. But you know, if you come up here, I'm pretty sure, I'm not positive, these may be replacement shocks. There's a little bit of a blue tint to them. But what's interesting, when you come back to the rears, I think it's the original shocks. Right there. Those just look like original shocks to me. They might be. You know, you can see that it's got the original exhaust and it really is going to need to be replaced. You heard the car running. You know, it'll work and be fine as it is, but ultimately someone's going to want to redo the exhaust from, probably up here and back. Probably from about there back. So, then wanted to see if we had any present leaks. I'm not sure. I mean, we blew this off and cleaned it up, and it's had all night to sit here, and it doesn't look like we have any leakage coming, like, say, through the pan gasket or anything. And I wanted to check over here, too. Look at that oil pan. That has just got to be the original finish on that oil pan. I don't see any leakage coming off that either. It was pretty grimy yesterday. It's better now. Oh, looks like you've got some degradation in that part of the exhaust as well. I think I'd do a replacement from here back when it came time to do that. Just put some fresh pipes on from the manifolds back. Anyway, there you go.